My relationship with Igus is of more than 20 plus years. When Igus started very small in India, not as a full subsidiary itself, I was working with Igus. And when we talk about plastics and bearings, the first name which comes in our mind is Igus. But today, Igus is changing, technology is changing, and here we are having the small, beautiful, low-cost automation robots. I think that is what in Hannover Messe 2023, Igus is going to make a difference with. And I am having with us Alexander to tell what you are going to do in Hannover Messe.
Thanks a lot. First of all, 20 years, whoa. So my relation with Igus is only about 15 years, so really amazing.
You people are doing some amazing work in India.
Yeah.
And one of the young and dynamic team in India you have, led by Deepak and Santosh.
Yeah, this perhaps is the different. Yeah, a cobot for under 5,000 euros in Germany. That's very affordable for the German market. Why it's so affordable? Because we are doing it with plastic inside, for sure, as you know us. Yeah, since 20 years in the end. Yeah. It can handle 2 kilograms. They've got a reach of 600 millimeters. There's a plug-and-play version, and there's also open source version if you want to do your own controller software. In case of controller software, the controller software is for free. You can test it before invest any money. Just download the software, play before paying, do whatever you want, decide by your own without paying anything at the first step, and make the decision if this is the right product for you or not.
So I'm understanding, Alexander, because cobots are becoming more common now. It is not robots and cobots are not costly. It is more about how you improve your productivity, and it becomes very easy to afford. So now this cobot is completely manufactured by Igus?
Everything in Cologne. The PCBs are made in Cologne by Igus. They are made plastic by Igus. We are doing that in India for sure too. Also for the Indian market, but everything is designed and made and produced by Igus.
And how is the response you are getting from the market for this product?
Nobody is believing us that's so affordable in the end. Yeah, everyone is asking us for tests because they said, oh, how precise it is, how long it works. Yeah, and I can understand it. The precision is around about 0.1 millimeter, so not as precise as a Fanuc or a KUKA robot, for example. But this guy is not used for picking cars.
This is a cobot.
This is a cobot in the end.
This is not a robot.
It's just around about 0.1 millimeter, and I think that's the difference. Yeah, the important thing is that it stops if you are doing something. It has to be very reliable.
Cobots are becoming very common in our manufacturing, be it in India or worldwide, and I am sure this innovation what Igus is bringing in is going to change the dynamics in the manufacturing. And we wish you all the very best with this small cobot with an open software which will enable more freedom to the manufacturers, your customers.
Definitely.
And I wish you all the very best for Hannover Messe. Alexander, thanks for your time.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for being here.